guess the Subaru life isn't for me. Alright boys, look at that. So that right there is a completed 2017 Subaru WRX. Yeah, so I basically, me and Brandon and kind of this whole project kind of got busy towards the end of it. So I think the last time, I think Brandon put on the bumpers and everything about 3 weeks ago or so, or painted the bumpers, put them on, and then kind of got it back together, and then, you know, had to wait for the hood scoop, and then he painted that separately. But yeah, as you can see, it's basically 100% complete right now. The only thing that we're waiting on is this mirror right here, this little piece. I ended up just buying a whole nother mirror, because I guess you can't get that little piece right there. But yeah, if you can't tell, it actually looks kind of cool right now, because I got the windows tinted. So the windows tinted to 20% all the way around. Other than the windshield doesn't have anything. Installed these rain guards right here, because there was like a couple little dents, like right here and here on the other side that we couldn't get out. There was ones right here that we went ahead and pulled this vinyl off, but that vinyl would have just been a huge pain to get off. But yeah, it's got the, you know, brand new roof, the new hood, fender. Basically the only thing that hasn't been painted on this car is the two passenger side doors. And then I believe the side skirts, and yeah, but yeah, so I've been driving this thing around today a little bit, cruising it around, and it's actually really fun. It's a torquey little engine, isn't crazy fast or anything like that. Like definitely the Saab would just, you know, would give it the old smoke, but it is like an awesome little daily driver, especially, you know, now that the windows are all tinted and the interior's all complete. It's all cleaned out real nice, vacuumed. The dash and everything is all clean. All the glass and everything's out of it. And it's just crazy, like, how nice, like, new cars are. You know, like, just, it has, like, the factory Bluetooth radio, you know, backup camera. It has, like, the little electronic boost gauge and just all the little features and gadgets. And this thing's just a base model. And I think that really the main difference between that is it doesn't have, like, the HID headlights, or and it doesn't have fog lights, and a couple other minor little things. But yeah, it's definitely nice having glass in it now, whereas the first time I actually drove this thing, it had, you know, the glass was hanging in it and the back windshield was all flapping. So yeah, new front windshield, new back window, all that stuff. And she's looking like a WRX now. So yeah, just waiting on this one piece right here. And that should be it. So I know this project kind of got pushed off to the side. Obviously, we're doing you know, the super giveaway stuff, and I was basically finishing up painting the Civic. cleaning the shop and doing all that type of stuff. So it's been over at Brandon's, and he kind of one of the reasons that we started this in the first place was he didn't have a whole lot of work at that time. And then it's just kind of funny how that works, is like you think you're not busy, and then all of a sudden you just get swamped with stuff. And that's pretty much what happened with him. And so yeah, we were both kind of only worked on it here and there when we could. But I mean, look at it now. I mean, that's a good looking WRX. It's just crazy how destroyed this thing was. But yeah, that's I don't know. I think maybe we'll take you guys for a little bit of a drive tomorrow during in the sunlight. And I have already listed this thing for sale. There's just too much stuff going on for me right now. I haven't let Jamie drive it yet. I'm kind of scared to let her drive it. She wants something a little bit bigger, you know, like one of the Ford Explorer Sports with the EcoBoost. I think that's really what she has her kind of mindset on. And I told her, you know, kind of after we get rid of this thing and after the Super giveaway kind of ends, we're going to go ahead and try to find her a wrecked one of those to rebuild. And that's going to be her new mom wagon and our mom SUV type of thing. So yeah, we're going to take this thing for a drive and tomorrow. And then that's going to be the I guess the end of the Subaru video. All right, boys. So we are in the WRX right now, giving it a little cruise. And what do you think, David? Oh yeah, Blake. Yeah, give her the. Oh yeah, see, we're just this is just.
Do you only smoke one flavor?
Should be.
They're always the same flavor.
So, I got it. Blake, let me see that.
Trevor, lime juice.
Are you out of juice?
It's all like the same.
Can we turn this thing way down?
Stop. It's not. No, turn it up. It's only at 65. Trevor's first time he used to vape.
Should I turn it down a little bit? How do you turn it down?
It won't matter. I mean, it's turn down to like 60.
And then what? Look at this guy.
I won't do anything.
Do you want to get ran into or what?
Probably wants to flick some rocks on you. Where are you going?
I guess the Subaru life isn't for me. Guess not. What's wrong with me? Well, how come that's not? That just seems really harsh. Or do you just need to get used to it?
Just gotta get used to it.
I guess that's sacrifices must be made. So, yeah, Blake's giving her the Blake vapes. He's giving her the vape, and we're just ripping the WRX. This thing's pretty nice. What do you think about it, Dave?
It's like slow.
It's pretty slow. Like I'm really curious how it would be on
for hitting 19.3 psi.
Yeah, it hits 19.3 pounds of boost. So yeah,
I've never been down this road.
What was your Elliot?
Right in front of the DOT place with all those state troopers.
Watch us try like a undercover guy. How you doing?
He's probably a state trooper that just got off. He's like,
yeah, watch this guy ripping on our road. See if you can get it to go. I don't think you're using it yet. No, that's this one.
I think that whole building. No, that's Cole's. That's the whole building is like theirs.
I mean, it's a good daily, a really good daily.
Yeah.
But it definitely needs like that.
Right, it's fast for somebody that doesn't know, like.
Yeah, like this would be like a perfect, like, if you want to ruin your kid in high school and you want to buy him a car, so he never appreciates anything and beats the crap out of it.
Then,
this is like
then
that.
Then they're like, it's fast.
This is like the spoiled kid in high school car.
Yeah.
Maybe something like that. Right, honestly, like it really is nice. It's like really torquey, but it just falls off. Like it makes it 19.3 psi at like 3,000 RPM, and then it just falls off. I mean, it's such a nice car, though. It tapers down to 10 pounds.
Gonna have to replace some rudders after this.
No, it'll be alright. that's the WRX. But yeah, this thing is super nice on the inside. Like, it's crazy to think that for almost what I'm trying to sell this thing for, or what you could buy one of these for, was like a little bit higher mileage, like 30,000 miles, probably about 18, 19 grand. It's hard to buy like 2006 like Evo 9 for that like has lower miles, like under 100,000 miles. And this would, I feel like this would be a much like nicer daily than like an Evo 9. Like an Evo 9 would be like a better like rig, obviously. But I mean, this thing has like the nice Bluetooth stereo. It's got all the apps and stuff on it. It's got the nice gauge cluster. It's got this stuff right here, and then you could swap between like the clock and the MPGs, and shows you how hard we was ripping it. 4-wheel drive, I don't know what that means. And then the boost gauge. But yeah, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Let me know. I mean, do you think I should keep this thing and give it some more mods? But I mean, honestly, I don't think I'm into it like a whole lot. Like, it's a really nice car, but I was talking to Blake yesterday, and I was like, Blake, I was pointing at this, I was like, $25,000 car or $2,500 car, which one would you pick as your daily? And definitely the $2,500 Saab. I think we're gonna throw a bigger turbo on that thing and let it rip. Blake was driving it today, and
it's a lot faster than this thing.
It's a lot faster than this thing. So even when it was stock, it was a lot faster. So yeah, that's it. That's the WRX video. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you later.
There goes Trav. Turbo Civic versus stock Civic.